Pagani Utopia 2026. The Pagani Utopia 2026 isn't just a hypercar. It's a piece of rolling artwork. When Pagani builds something, they don't follow trends. They create emotion. And the Utopia is exactly that. A blend of raw power, artistic craftsmanship, and pure hypercar madness. Today, we're taking a quick but powerful look at what makes the Utopia one of the most desirable machines on the planet. Design and exterior. The moment you look at the Utopia, it feels like you're staring at a sculpture. Its carbon fiber body, flowing curves, deep aerodynamic channels, and iconic quad exhausts all follow Pagani's philosophy. Beauty first, performance always. Every panel is shaped by hand. Every detail, from the vents to the headlights, looks like it belongs in a museum. This car doesn't try to look futuristic. It looks timeless. Interior and luxury feel. Inside, the Utopia is pure art. No giant touchscreens. No clutter. Just handcrafted leather, polished aluminum, exposed mechanics, and perfectly weighted analog dials. It feels elegant, personal, and purposely old school. The kind of luxury you don't just use, you experience. Every part of the interior can be customized, making each Utopia different from the next. Engine and performance. Under the rear glass sits a monster, a Mercedes-AMG 6.0L twin-turbo V12. It produces around 850 horsepower, sending power through a special transmission built just for Pagani. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happens in just 2.7 seconds, and the top speed crosses 370 kilometers per hour. This car isn't loud because it wants attention. It's loud because the V12 breathes like a living creature. And even with all this power, the Utopia feels surprisingly balanced, precise, and beautifully tuned for a true driver's feel. Driving experience. Driving the Utopia feels emotional. The steering is sharp and clean. The throttle response is instant. And the V12 sound, it's pure drama. It doesn't feel like a modern, computerized hypercar. It feels alive, like a machine that wants a real connection with the driver. Whether it's a calm morning cruise or a high-speed run, it always feels special. Price and exclusivity. The Utopia is rare. Very rare. Pagani builds only a tiny number of units, and most are already spoken for. Prices start around $2.5 million USD, and that's before personalization. Owning a Utopia isn't about buying horsepower. It's about owning something handmade, something timeless. Conclusion. The Pagani Utopia 2026 is more than a hypercar. It's a statement of passion, craftsmanship, and pure mechanical beauty. If you want a car that feels like a masterpiece and performs like a rocket, there's simply nothing else like it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and tell me, is the Pagani Utopia the most beautiful hypercar ever built?